Welcome back to Car Reviews Updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan, a compact SUV that's been completely reimagined for the modern driver. If you thought the previous generation was impressive, just wait until you see what VW has done this time around. At first glance, the 2025 Tiguan immediately grabs attention with its sleek and sharper exterior design. Volkswagen has gone with a bolder front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted profile that gives the SUV a more premium and athletic stance. The rear is equally eye-catching with a full-width light bar and refined details that echo the design language of VW's electric ID lineup. It feels fresh, futuristic, and very much in tune with the direction the brand is heading. Under the hood, the Tiguan is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a healthy 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This marks a notable upgrade in performance over the outgoing model, offering quicker acceleration and better responsiveness. All-wheel drive remains an option, making it versatile for various road conditions and weather. Inside, the Tiguan sees a huge leap forward. The cabin now feels more luxurious and tech-forward than ever. The centerpiece is a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with VW's latest software. There's also a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster, and new touch-sensitive controls have replaced traditional buttons, giving the dash a clean and modern look. Comfort hasn't taken a back seat either. Expect premium materials, ergonomic seating, and impressive rear legroom for passengers. Volkswagen has also loaded the Tiguan with advanced safety and driver assist features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and the new travel assist system, this SUV is designed to keep you safe and confident behind the wheel. The optional panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, and customizable drive modes all add to the upscale feel. The 2025 Tiguan is not just an evolution, it's a transformation. Volkswagen has managed to blend style, tech, and performance in a way that makes this SUV stand out in a crowded segment. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out for a weekend adventure, the Tiguan is ready for it all. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more right here on Car Reviews Updates.